how to post your template on Capcut. So what we'll simply do is open our Capcut here, and we'll simply click on a new project, and we will make a new template here. We will select some pictures or video, whatever we like, and we will here add them, and after adding them we can edit them in the timing, or we can add some motions here or some effects here I am adding, and you can simply create them into a template very easily. And then you can simply click on the export button here, and after exporting it we can simply see a lot of option here that where we can share it. And here, as we can see, where we can share it, you will simply get an option here of posting it like in a template if you are pro Capcut template maker or editor. So yeah, that is how to post your template on Capcut.